UnitedHealth, once the untouchable healthcare giant, is now a ticking stock bomb. Buried underneath tragedy, scandals, and catering margin, but then Warren Buffett swoops in with a $1.6 billion stake, and just like that, investors start buying again. This is Why Stocks Go Crazy. We are about to unpack how a CEO murder, DOJ investigations, and a financial meltdown led to one of the most jaw-dropping investment moves of 2025. UNH reports earnings of $111.6 billion, but net income sliced in half. EPS forecast sliced from $30 to $16. And the market reaction? Panic, selling, headlines screaming healthcare collapses. Stock down nearly 50% in 2025. The pushback is real. Rising medical costs, margin pressure at Optum and UnitedHealthcare, DOJ sniffing around Medicare billing, all of it converging into one toxic brew. Then comes the headline, the one nobody expected. UNH's CEO Brian Thompson executed outside a Manhattan hotel. The shooter left behind bullet casing ingrained with 3 words: delay, deny, depose. A middle finger to the insurance industry's denial-driven model. Instead of calm, shares plunge further, proof that the market doesn't care if CEO gets popped. It just cares about chaos. Enter the oracle. Buffett quietly buys 5 million shares, roughly $1.6 billion. The Dow Jones Industrial surges, UNH jumps from 11% up to 14% in a single day. One of the best performing stock of the day. Retail investors who had fled it like a pandemic's hospital piles back in. Suddenly, UNH goes from class action punchline to comeback pick. But why? Buffett isn't sentimental. He sees UNH trading below its 5-year average PE of 16, steady Medicare Advantage cash flow, unique vertical structure, Optum plus insurance, and a sector Americans simply cannot escape, ever. Demographically, stable demand, that's the kind of bone value investors salivate over. Technically, UNH breaks its downtrend, 325 resistance hit today, next stop 380 to 440 if momentum holds. But the real risk is DOJ probes, executives stepping down, costs bleeding out. Traders love the bounce. Investors, they should ask, is this the signal or it's a mirage? This isn't just business, it's a pitch black satire. Healthcare execs target for denial claims, shareholder lawsuit, executive turnovers, mistrust piling up. And then Hemsley reappointed as a CEO with a $60 million pay package, while UNH tries to duct tape its credibility back together. Buffett's big bet, not just financial, it's psychological. A bandage slapped on a very sector. Here is what to watch. Can UNH manage Medicare cost blowout? Will DOJ investigations blow back up again with delay, deny, depose headlines? And does Buffett's move trigger a sector-wide defense, lifting other names in this sector? Here are some final thoughts. UNH is the darkest intersection of American capitalism, healthcare profits, scandal, violence, and a billionaire sweeping in. Is this a rally true turnaround or just a financial theater? Either ways, it's one of the most twisted market plays in years. Drop your UNH take below. Is Buffett's rescue a zombie insurance or just the master of value illusions? Like and subscribe, and tag your friend who thinks healthcare stocks are safe. Next up, XRP, the hopium coin, because if UNH is a horror comedy, crypto, nightmare theater.